Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, and today I'll be showing you guys on how you can view your insights on your post on your Instagram from your PC. To do so, just follow some quick and easy steps that I will show you on this video. First of all, you just have to open up Instagram and log into your Instagram account. After that, you'll be on the home page of Instagram. Click on the profile. After that, search for the post you want to view your insights in, and then click on the post. And you can see an option for view insight. If you click on this, you can see a pop-up on the right side of your screen on all the engagement and insights of audience on your page that you have posted on your Instagram. You can see your likes, comments, saves, and even shares as well. And you can also identify your profile activity, profile visits, your follows, and etc. And that's how you can view your insights of audience in Instagram from your PC. This much for this video, and I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment or review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.